Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening Apple Maps and confirming location permissions so directions are accurate. Next, tap the search field and type an address, place, or landmark. You can also select from recent or favorites for speed. Once a result appears, tap directions and choose drive, walk, or transit. This sets the navigation mode. Then set departure or arrival time if needed. Doing this ensures ETA and route options reflect traffic or schedules. Now you're ready to customize route preferences. You now refine the chosen route by reviewing alternatives shown on screen. Tap each suggestion to see turn-by-turn steps and travel time differences. Once done, use the Options button to avoid tolls or highways, or add stops to build a multi-stop itinerary. This changes the route order and ETA. Make sure to preview the route to check complicated intersections. When satisfied, tap Start for voice-guided navigation. Apple Maps will recalculate automatically if you deviate, keeping you on track. Finish navigation by following the final prompts and tap End or Cancel when you arrive. Access quick controls by swiping up during navigation to add a stop or mute voice. If Maps shows wrong directions, first toggle location services and cellular data, then force close and reopen the app. That often clears cached routing problems. If errors persist, restart your device and check for iOS updates. Finally, report the issue within Maps so the data can be corrected for future users.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.